Hello guys, I'm Julian and today I will show you how to install the rear parking sensor. For the start, we will stick the paper tape on the bar where we have to make the holes for the sensor. This tape helps us not to crack the paint when we drill the holes. Then we mark where we want to put the sensor and we make the holes. I didn't have to disassemble the bar because I have enough space to insert the cables and then I pull them with a steel wire. With this I made the holes. It comes with the sensor in the same package. Now I start to insert the sensor with the cables. When inserting the cables, keep them in order. That's where I pull the cables. This is the steel wire with which I pulled the cables. And now I'm going to show you how I went with the cable. This is not our cable. Here are all the cables connected to this module. That black, red and red cable connects to the reverse light bulb. Here we have the sensor cables in the order, and this is the cable that come from the front. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.